Hi guys. So yesterday I posted something in regard to my solidarity with the Oromo people, and I'm sure I'm gonna get a lot of backlash. Again, I'm not gonna respond. It's in my best interest not to respond. I just said where I'm standing. Obviously, you've seen my profile picture, and I'm in solidarity with them. And let me tell you why. Because the idea of nation states is new. The idea of borders in Africa is new. It came from the colonizers. So when people think that Ethiopia was never colonized, it was never anything, it's funny because actually Ethiopia did not exist. It was just a whole bunch of kingdoms. All these tribes ended up being stuck in one place, and then the borders were created around them. Nothing's wrong with Ethiopia. It's a beautiful place. However, when people don't want to claim to be part of a place, just let them. Why are y'all so stuck on the fact that, like, if a whole people, Oromo people, were there for so long, had a whole culture, a flag, a government, everything going on, and then you came and created a border around them and then started taking their land, then made them fight in your army against us, it doesn't make any sense. You ethnically cleansed them. That's what happened, just like Eritrea, just like what happened to Eritrea. Our parents were ethnically cleansed. So when people think that I just don't want to like Ethiopia, no, it's just that I know the history. Just like if it was Somalia who did that to us, I would have to call it out. And you shouldn't be offended by that, because that would just be cognitive dissonance. If you don't want to admit that my people were tortured by Ethiopia, that soldiers were brought into villages, raped women, they burned people's houses down, and then they literally hung my people in trees, and then we're supposed to just love you and not bring this up because it makes you uncomfortable? No, that doesn't make any sense. My parents were forced to speak Amharic in school, just like everyone had to speak Amharic in Eritrea, because it was, as far as everyone was concerned, we're a part of Ethiopia and we have to speak their language. But you have to understand why we're so obsessed with being different, because even when we were part of it, we were a subculture and we were ethnically cleansed. I need y'all to hear these words, because it might bother you, but it is what it is. Clearly your parents haven't taught you this, but when you just think people don't like you just because, check yourselves. You sound like white people. Dead ass, you sound like white people. Why are you mad at us? It was only 400 years.